Let's talk about 15 superfoods that work magic while you sleep. All right, health enthusiasts, let's dive into 15 superfoods that help detoxify your muscles overnight. First up, tart cherries. Packed with antioxidants, they reduce muscle soreness. Next, spinach. This leafy green is rich in magnesium, crucial for muscle relaxation. Avocados. They're loaded with healthy fats and potassium to fight cramps. Now onto seeds. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses full of omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation. Flax seeds bring fiber and lignans to detox your system. And let's not forget pumpkin seeds, a zinc-rich snack for muscle repair. Fruits like blueberries and goji berries are superstars for their high antioxidant content. Bananas, with their potassium punch, prevent muscle cramps. And don't overlook the humble pineapple. Bromelain in it helps with inflammation. Veggies like beets boost nitric oxide, improving blood flow and detox. Sweet potatoes, they're your go-to for complex carbs and beta-carotene. Kale offers a vitamin K boost for bone and muscle health. Nuts like almonds provide protein and healthy fats. Quinoa, it's a complete protein with all 9 essential amino acids, so load up on these superfoods and let your muscles detox while you catch those Z's. Wake up refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer your day.